lang to add, no, as we've always stated, pepresenta lang namin ng witnesses namin yung mga kinakailangan talaga to establish important points, no. Lalong-lalo na kung hostile witness ang pinag-uusapan. You don't present an hostile witness unless it's absolutely necessary to hit your evidentiary targets. So, bakit mas naging madali yung decision kanina? Una nga sabi, biglaan yun, no? Dahil kanina lang namin nalaman na yung supposed witness namin na kung sinong pinaghahandaan na susunod na yupo, si Ginong Fajarda ay hindi available. No? Itong na-determine na kasi namin na sure na yupo na namin, kaya mabilis na ito yung nabigay namin alternative witnesses. Now, as to yung absolute necessity to present Fajarda, so we will see. It's a continuing deliberation after ma-present pa itong mga ibang witnesses.